Today I want to show you this wonderful moisture meter. This is an equipment good to identify the level of humidity, the level of moisture in different type of walls, in wood, softwood, hardwood, masonry, and other type of walls. This is the equipment. The equipment is by Canmic, is the moisture meter. I am too excited about the quality of this equipment. It's too simple to operate. Basically, you select the mode. You select the mode here. It's a hardwood, it's a wall, it's a masonry, it's a softwood. And here you see the level of humidity, and in this button you have an indication if the area is green, is acceptable, or is red, is the level of humidity is too much. In this industry, in the marine industry, the level of humidity is critical. It's critical in the installation of electronic equipments. It's critical in the process of wiring to avoid corrosion. Is critical in the installation of air conditioning unit, water maker, the humidifiers. A lot of equipment depend of the level of humidity. I am going to show you in a simple example how it's simple to operate this equipment and how useful will be in your business. Okay, we are going to check hardwood. I have a lot of hardwood. This boat was affected for a lot of leaks of water because the roof was broken, and a lot of leaks of water affect the walls. I am going to show you in the bottom of the walls in wood how they are affected for humidity. As you can see here, a lot of mold is affecting the wall. Exactly on the ground, a lot of mold is over there. Let me show you the level of humidity here in this area where I am going to select hardwood, and I am going to check the level of humidity here. It's 2.4%, and the level of humidity here in this area is 21.4%. It's in red. And what about here in this area where the mold affect? Is 24% with mold in the bottom. Let me go up a little. In this area with less humidity is 21%, continue red. And let me check here close to the AC panel and the DC panel. We have a lot of mold that is affecting the area. The level of humidity over there is 19%, 21% is in red color. We are going to check outside in different parts of the Tika on the deck of the boat how the difference in level of humidity using this wonderful equipment, the moisture test by Canmic. In this area we have a softwood. We are going to select softwood. The level of humidity is 35%, and it's a little dry, but look at this. In this area the humidity is 36%, a lot of humidity. The area is completely wet. The area is completely wet, and in comparison with this one that is a little dry, is in green color, and is 21% affected. Okay, nice. This is the equipment that you need to install electronic devices, to do the wiring in a boat. The humidity is an important factor when you install equipment in the marine industry. Try to get this equipment, the moisture tester by Canmic.